Hey you guys, guess what I came home to today after my workout? No, just kidding. Okay, Coachella 2026 box is here. Already I have a complaint. I open up the box and it's a hot mess. Okay, usually they have everything sorted nicely, but let me show you guys what's in the box. You get your wristband, which you don't put on until you register a couple days before. We got our shuttle pass because your girl stays in Palm Springs, because I stay in Palm Springs, then I take the shuttle to Coachella. It's like having VIP, honestly. You pay an extra fee for it. You always get a Coachella sticker, which I leave these in the box because I want to have them when I'm an old lady. And then you get your how to apply your wristband, and like your instructions for how to use your wristband. You get your 2026 welcome guide, and this is really great because it tells you everything that you need to pack in your bags. So, which is water bottle, because you can't buy water at Coachella, wipes, a blanket, extra eyeliner, like little triangle puffs for your face, all that stuff, whatever. And then here, oh my gosh, these are little stickers to make our schedule for the Do Lab. So this is like where you're gonna go when you're at Coachella. So that's exciting. It looks like they have a little hologram screen that you can set up. So I never set these up. I'm saving these for one day when I am not going to Coachella. Like if I ever don't go, but I've been going every year since 2022 and I plan to go until I'm like 60. But if I don't go, I'll put together all these things one day. But for now, I leave them as memorabilia so I can look at them later, okay? And look, they gave us a poster. Okay, let's see what it looks like, you guys. Wow, oh my god, you guys. I think this is all the artists. It has Freddie Gibbs, French Montana. I think this is all the people that have ever performed at Coachella, ever, okay? And this is what it looks like. So that is so cute. Look at the little Ferris wheel. And then, yeah, I think this is, let me show you guys. This is actually very cool, and I'm gonna frame it. So these are all the artists I think that have ever performed at Coachella, okay? So cool, Brooks and Dunn. Let's see who we got on here. We have the Blue Man Group. We have, wow, I'm just trying to pick out any names. My Morning Jacket, 9 Black Alps, 9 Inch Nails. So this is pretty amazing. I don't think they've given a poster in the last few years, but they gave a poster this year. So what do you guys think? Anyways, I'm a Coachella girly. I had to show you guys. Your girl will be there weekend 2 this year, not weekend 1, because your girl will have no FOMO. I will be there the final weekend when all the final acts go out. And the outfits are the best that they've ever been. They're the best they've ever been since I've been going. Hello, I look the best I've ever been, and the outfits are the best they've ever been, right? Right. Anyways, are you going to Coachella? Are you excited? Are you gonna have FOMO through me? You already know the content is going to be contenting. Oh, and last but not least, they give you a memory book. Look, it's like a little passport. I really love this. It has your memories for Friday. I don't know if they're gonna have the same decor there. Saturday, this is from previous years. Sunday, and then everything you loved about Coachella, which I'm definitely gonna fill this out because every time I go to Coachella, I feel like it changes my life. I really love music. I'm a Spotify girl. If you aren't already, go follow me on Spotify. But yeah, I love Coachella. This is what's in the box. It's really cute because it's actually my favorite color, and it's gonna go right up there with the other ones. Coachella 2026. Are you guys going to Coachella? Let me know in the comments, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.